start creating content on YouTube. I think this should be about the 4th year, if I can remember. You know, I've been on and off really, but in the past 2 years I've been the most consistent, and it was within the past 2 years that I got monetized as well. So that's it basically. When that, yeah, about 4 years ago, looking at it from the very beginning. But talking about how active I've been on YouTube is about 2 years now, right? And the third question on the list is where to buy the pants I use for cake slice. Basically, a lot of things do not come clear until we explain these things, right? For my cake slice pants, I don't have any special pants for it. What is special about my cake slices, as a matter of fact, is how I cut them up very neatly, more like a razor cuts or razor sharp cuts, if there's anything like that. All I use is my 8 inches square pan, and 1 8 inches square pan yields 8 clean slices for me, because all I do is when I bake up nicely, I bake about 2 or 3 layers depending on the flavors or the mix or variants I'm doing, and then I just cut them into two. I divide into 2 equal parts, and then I partition the first part into 4 sides and partition the other parts into 4 parts. If you need more clarity on this explanation, you can always go down my stream of videos to check that particular video I have teaching how to achieve my cake slices. But I don't have any special pans for them. The regular 8 inches square pans do the trick for me.